Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing the batteries and noting polarity so you avoid reversing cells later. Once done, use a small screwdriver to open the case. Keep screws in a tray so parts don't walk away. Make sure to inspect for obvious corrosion or loose components as you separate halves. This tells you if cleaning or part repositioning is next. You'll also want a cotton swab and isopropyl to clean contacts, so have them within reach before proceeding. You now clean the battery contacts and rubber keypad. Use isopropyl on a swab to remove residue and corrosion so conductivity improves. Once cleaned, inspect the PCB for cracked traces or lifted pads. This explains many intermittent failures. If a spring is bent or a contact is out of place, reseat it carefully. That action often restores connections. Take a photo before reassembly so you know component orientation, because getting buttons aligned matters for tactile function. You reassemble the remote in reverse, making sure each rubber pad sits correctly over its contact. Misalignment gives false or no presses. Once done, insert fresh batteries and test several buttons while aiming at the TV. This verifies range and consistency. If buttons still fail, try a known working remote or a universal model to isolate the problem. For stubborn electrical faults, consider replacing the IR LED or main IC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.